Introduce yourself and your organization.
Hi, I am Sandeep Das. I am working as a Deputy Director General for Trade Promotion Council of India, which is one of the trade body like Chamber of Commerce, and we have a membership of around 4,500 companies pan-India from multiple sectors.
Do you see India emerging as a global platform for the mice industry?
Yes, that's a very interesting question. Looking at the current geopolitical situation, India offers excellent potential for the mice industry to grow, because if you see over the last few years, there are certain cities in the world, particularly if I talk about Asia, you have Dubai, you have Singapore, you have Hong Kong, which has grown as the mice capital for Asia and the eastern part of the world. But if you look at the current scenario with the West Asia crisis going on, there's a lot of traction towards India, which is probably the best performing economy across the globe and most stable economy. This is primarily because of two reasons. One is our great domestic consumption, and at the same time our production capacity and the strength of our services sector. Keeping all these things in mind and the kind of infrastructure that has been developed over the years in all the major cities of the country for the mice, particularly if we talk about, these are amazing. If you talk about Yashobhumi or Bharat Mandapam or the Geo Convention or IEML, BIC kind of structures, they all are capable of hosting large format events, large format conventions. We have the ancillary infrastructures like hotels, we have the transportation, the air connectivity, the overall internet connectivity, all the digitization, the services infrastructure of the suppliers. This always makes India a very, very, very opportunistic economy, which can take, probably bid and take for many large format events. Because if you see the current scenario, today most of the events in the Middle East are getting postponed or cancelled. People have already planned for it. So maybe, yes, if we are working closely in the shorter term and in the longer term, if we plan it properly, yes, India can definitely be a mice capital. But of course, there are scope for improvement in terms of, the overall infrastructure. We do have best facilities for business, but mice industry goes with business with leisure. But the leisure facilities and the support which we need probably from the policymaker side, from the city administration side, from the government side, yes, we need to work out on that.
The exhibition industry is rapidly evolving. How do you think AI and innovation will shape its future?
See, exhibition industry is evolving in India post-COVID. If we see, we have seen probably 15-20x growth of the industry in terms of number of shows, number of participants, number of visitors, and of course there is a growth in the overall ecosystem as well in terms of service providers and technological interventions also. However, the challenge is that when we talk about the manpower availability, the skilled manpower availability, or the availability of the human resources, that becomes a critical challenge for the industry today. So to overcome that, you need to increase your efficiency as a professional in this industry. And how you can do it? Probably through digitization, through AI, which can save you a lot of your mundane jobs, time in your mundane job that you spend each day and every day. So that's what initially, yes, AI and other things can give you that idea. Even the machine learning which is being used in AI, that is evolving. As we keep on using a lot of AI related tools, they also develop their intelligence, and maybe they will come up with much more faster solutions and innovative solutions as well in AI, what they provide. But having said that, AI should be used as a supporting tool to improve your efficiency. Completely depending on AI, I think it's a very risky proposition as on date, because if the AI makes a mistake, it's very difficult to find it out. So use your wisdom, use your thoughts, and try to use AI for the benefit and improving your efficiency of overall operations, so that with limited human resource availability, you can execute a lot of work.
What are your current focus areas when it comes to sustainability?
Sustainability is catching up space. Sustainability, when you talk about sustainability, we have to take care of our environment and give it back to the society for the future generation. It is livable. It is something we don't do anything. Any of our action should not impact the future of our generations. So yes, of course, when you talk about sustainability, using eco-friendly materials, when we do the constructions in the exhibitions, using proper waste management mechanisms to reduce event, so that we can generate less carbon footprint. And if we talk about the global scenario also, most of the developed economies, be it in the European Union or the Western economies, they are talking about carbon border taxation today, which is CBAM. Basically, you can get your carbon credit based on your sustainable practices, earn carbon credits, changing your energy sources to more towards renewable ones, or using materials which are eco-friendly, which generate less waste, or proper handling of the waste and towards zero waste management kind of a thing. These are some of the practices we should look forward as an Indian industry to achieve as far as exhibitions and events are concerned. And I'm optimistic that sooner rather than later we would be able to declare one such event in India, all of us as an industry, which is probably, we can say, it's a zero carbon footprint event. But yes, then the commitment comes from every stakeholder, from the venue owner to the organizer, to the service provider, and even your exhibitors. The kind of material they are using, the kind of technology, the waste management practices, the energy sources, everything has to be coordinated. That's how I see sustainability as an important thing. If we can get some good score for survey, this will also generate confidence for the overseas stakeholders, such as exhibitors and your visitors, to come and visit the shows in India, because this is a practice they are trying to adopt. And as a policymaker level, India is also trying to achieve it through a lot of things happening in other industries as well. But yes, for exhibition organizers and exhibitions and the venues, yes, probably we have to catch up on that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.